Welcome back everyone. So in this session we are going to understand about trigonometric identities. See, identities are the equation which are true for all the values of variable. If in this case we are talking about some angle, then the identities are the equations which will be true for all of such angles, right? Now in trigonometry we have three identities. First one is sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Second one is 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A, and the third one is 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosec square A, right? These are the three identities in trigonometry, and they hold true for all the values of A. Now let us see their proof quickly. So in order to prove them, what I am going to do, firstly I am going to draw a right angle triangle. Let us draw this right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle we have, let's say, A, or rather A, B and C. We have three sides. Now in these three sides, if I apply Pythagoras theorem, so what I will be getting is AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. If I divide this entire equation by AB, divide both sides by AB square. So if I divide this both sides by AB square, what I will be getting is 1 is equals to AC upon AB whole square plus BC upon AB whole square. Now if I look with respect to angle A, AB, AC is what? Base, and BC is what? Perpendicular. So AC is my base and AB is my perpendicular. So base upon perpendicular is nothing but cot A, cos square A, plus BC upon AB. BC is perpendicular and then AB is hypotenuse. So this is nothing but sin square A, and this is equals to 1, and that was our first identity. I hope it is making complete sense to you. Proceeding towards our second identity. Again we have this AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. In this, let's divide both sides by let's say AC. Now if I divide both sides by AC, what I will be getting is AB upon AC whole square is equals to 1 plus BC upon AC whole square. And if I look with respect to A, AB is what? My hypotenuse, and AC is what? My base. See, base upon hypotenuse is cos, and hypotenuse upon base is what? Sec. So this will be my sec square A is equals to 1 plus BC upon AC. BC upon AC, that is perpendicular upon base, that is nothing but tan square A. So this is my second identity. Now proceeding towards the third proof, and again I am going to take the same result, that is AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square, and in this let's divide. see we have divided by, firstly we have divided by perpendicular, then we have divided by base, now sorry hypotenuse, then base, and now divided by perpendicular. So if I divide this entire equation by BC, so AB upon BC whole square is equals to AC upon BC whole square, which will further be equals to, and BC upon BC will be plus 1. Now AB upon BC, perpendicular upon, sorry hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now as you know, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine, and hypotenuse upon perpendicular is cosec. So this will be my cosec A whole square, and then AC upon BC. So AC, see BC upon AC would be tan, and AC upon BC would be what? Cot. So this is my third. So that is how we have proved our all of the three identities. I hope it is making sense to you, and that was all about this lecture. Thank you so much.